Hello there, classmate and teacher. My name is Mario Vega. I am an engineering electronic student. This video explains my postal. This is the link in the website Big2Chart. The infographic is the name of my postal is trip to plane why the plane is nice. Contain my description of my experience. Are the weekend no was longer travel trip. I was only stay 5 days. The trip I make with my girlfriend Amaya. The trip like your relatives. This is the picture are natural pool. For me are good experience. In my description I speak of my cost and minimum activities. The posts are recommendation of the trip. Use the it is necessary, it is recommended, it is better, it is recommended, it is important. This is the recommendation basic and the security. No speak. One moment. Use the sunblock. Review status of the rivers. Okay, moment, please. Use the guide or company in native region. This is native region is good. And have should and should make. You should and you should. You should refers Villavicencio. First step, and second, connect with other transporter bus tourist trip. You should review money and documents, emerging secure or health. This is important. You should carry the clothes for the warm weather and repellent. Okay, this is a weather tropical, sun, post, rain, more humidity. You should eat the rose is great. Okay, eat the rose is famoso. Is great. Is the flavor is incomparable. And you should make the travel in the night. You should travel in the day. In the day for the distinct sites. You should talk with stranger and say how much money you have. Okay, is recommendation. The security in Colombia are much bad person. You should make the trip if you are sick. It is important for migration. The are sick, you can seek other person. So, this is no more. This is my presentation. Goodbye.